Intel 12th Gen Deca-Core Core i5-1235U, 10 cores 12 threads, base clock speed 1.3 GHz, max turbo to 4.4 GHz, 12 MB L3 cache, 8 GB DDR4 memory, 8 GB soldered 512 GB PCIe NVMe M2 SSD, MIL STD 810H military standard, up to 12 hours long last battery life. 14 FHD 1920x1080 IPS anti-glare multi-touch LED backlight display with narrow bezel, full HD webcam with privacy shutter. Backlit keyboard, fingerprint reader, dual microphone, Wi-Fi 6E 2x2 plus Bluetooth 5.1. Log in quickly and securely with just your smile or fingerprint. NTE-grated Intel UHD graphics, supports external digital monitor via HDMI or USB Type-C, max external to 3 digital monitor with docking station, max external monitor resolution 4K, 3840 by 2160. Eye-catching and practical, with a starting weight of only 1.59 kilograms, 3.50 pounds, and just 17.9 millimeters, 0.7, thin. The ThinkPad E14 Gen 4 is totally portable. Options include a modern two-toned color finish, plus an extra durable aluminum top cover. You will also have access to a full range of ports: Thunderbolt 4, USB 4 trademark 40 gigabits per second, USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 for lightning quick transfers of data, power, video, and audio. There are 8 GB of DDR4 RAM soldered to the motherboard. 1 memory slot free.